So let's have a closer look. We can see that we've drawn some long paint stripes here, rectangles, representing the brush marks that we'll be painting. Those are brought in as surfaces into our Grasshopper script. Those surfaces are then broken down so that we can get each edge of the four sides of each rectangle. Those are essentially curves, and so we can use a list item component to grab either the two curves on the long sides or the two curves on the short side. What we're trying to do is grab the long curves. So we need the short sides of each rectangle so we can get the midpoint and grab the points that are going to be used as the start and end points for our paint sequence, as well as the approach and retract vertical lines that we will use to begin and end the paint sequence. You can see that once we are able to isolate those curves, I've got both the long and short sides represented here. We grab the correct ones and we essentially draw a line, a vertical line, which you see here above each paint sequence. And then we essentially break it down into a series of points and organize that point sequence so that we can create this kind of C-shaped movement for each line, which includes the approach, the paint, and the retract.